Hello and welcome to your daily English speaking practice session. Today we are going to learn and speak real daily use English sentences that you can use in your home, at work, while shopping, or even while traveling. I will say the sentence once slowly, and then you will repeat after me. Let's begin. Speak out loud with confidence. Let's improve your English together. Section 1. Morning Routine. Let's start with sentences you can use in the morning. Listen and repeat after me. Wake up. Now you say it. Wake up. It's time to get out of bed. Your turn. It's time to get out of bed. I had a good night's sleep. Say it. I had a good night's sleep. Let me brush my teeth. Repeat. Let me brush my teeth. Where is my towel? Repeat. Where is my towel? I'm going to take a shower. Say it with me. I'm going to take a shower. I feel fresh now. Now you say, I feel fresh now. What's for breakfast? Repeat. What's for breakfast? I'm getting late. One more time. I'm getting late. Section 2. Talking to family. Now let's practice sentences we use with family members at home. How was your day? Your turn. How was your day? Did you finish your homework? Say it. Did you finish your homework? Let's have dinner together. Repeat after me. Let's have dinner together. Please turn off the TV. Now you. Please turn off the TV. I'm feeling tired today. Say it. I'm feeling tired today. Let's watch a movie. Repeat. Let's watch a movie. Good night. Now you. Good night. Sweet dreams. Once more. Sweet dreams. Section 3. At work or school. These sentences are useful at your office or in school. Good morning, everyone. Repeat. Good morning, everyone. I have a meeting at 10. Your turn. I have a meeting at 10. Can you send me the report? Say it. Can you send me the report? Let's take a short break. Repeat after me. Let's take a short break. The internet is not working. Say it. The internet is not working. Please be on time. Now you say, please be on time. Let's finish this task today. Repeat. Let's finish this task today. Section 4. Shopping and market. Imagine you are at a market or a shop. Practice these sentences. How much does this cost? Your turn. How much does this cost? Can I get a discount? Repeat. Can I get a discount? Do you accept card payments? Now you say, do you accept card payments? I'll take this one. Say it. I'll take this one. Can I try this on? Repeat after me. Can I try this on? It doesn't fit me. Say it. It doesn't fit me. I want to return this. Your turn. I want to return this. Section 5. At a restaurant or cafe. Let's learn how to talk while eating out. Table for 2, please. Repeat. Table for 2, please. Can I see the menu? Now, you. Can I see the menu? I'll have the special. Say it. I'll have the special. No onions, please. Repeat after me. No onions, please. Can I get some water? Your turn. Can I get some water? The food is delicious. Say it. The food is delicious. Can I get the bill, please? Now you say, can I get the bill, please? Section 6. Asking for help and directions. Use these when you are outside and need help. Excuse me, can you help me? Say it. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the nearest bus stop. Repeat after me. I'm looking for the nearest bus stop. Is this the right way to the station? Now you say, is this the right way to the station? Go straight and turn right. Say it. Go straight and turn right. It's near the supermarket. Repeat. It's near the supermarket. Thank you so much. Your turn. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Repeat. You're welcome. Section 7. On the phone. These sentences are very useful during a phone call. Hello, can you hear me? Say it. Hello, can you hear me? The signal is weak. Repeat after me. The signal is weak. I'll call you back. Now you. I'll call you back. Please speak louder. Say it. Please speak louder. Talk to you later. Repeat. Talk to you later. Bye for now. Say it. Bye for now. Section 8. Emotions and feelings. Now let's express how we feel. I'm so happy today. Your turn. I'm so happy today. I feel tired. Repeat. I feel tired. I'm excited for tomorrow. Say it. I'm excited for tomorrow. That's unbelievable. Repeat after me. That's unbelievable. I feel relaxed. Say it. I feel relaxed. You made my day. Now you made my day. Section 9. At the doctor's office. Let's talk like a patient visiting a doctor. I'm not feeling well. Say it. I'm not feeling well. I have a fever. Repeat. I have a fever. My stomach hurts. Now my stomach hurts. Can I get an appointment? Say it. Can I get an appointment? Do I need medicine? Repeat after me. Do I need medicine? Thank you, doctor. Now you say, thank you, doctor. Section 10. Emergency situations. Some important sentences to know in emergencies. Call the police. Repeat after me. Call the police. I need help. Say it. I need help. Someone is hurt. Your turn. Someone is hurt. Please hurry. Repeat. Please hurry. Everything will be okay. Now you say, everything will be okay. Thank you for helping me. Say it. Thank you for helping me. Section 11. Travel and transport. Let's speak like a traveler. Where can I get a taxi? Say it. Where can I get a taxi? How much to the airport? Repeat. How much to the airport? Please stop here. Your turn. Please stop here. Where is the train station? Repeat after me. Where is the train station? Is this seat taken? Say it. Is this seat taken? My luggage is missing. Now you say, my luggage is missing.